Abanyagitari Abatesera kurwase ekaunti ya Homa Bay nigo bagosereria gochia konekia Omogiro bwemirimo yabo kubwatakana kiri bagotebanga nigo amagani yabo taraikirani gwasinchire bwenderete nigo bono baruru kuboria gochia ESEREKARI ekaunti yo kubeka emiroberio yo kubategerera na kuria goikerania amagani yabo nenchiremo yabarabo gochia kogenderia kuri OBOKORERI gochia sabananchi.
This withdrawal of services by our members, number one, we are doing this to highlight on some grievances that we have. The first one is a failure of payment of salary arrears and gratuity, which has delayed for the last 4 years. This was supposed to be done in August 2022, and our members have really suffered in the hands of the county government because it has refused or it has not paid the salary arrears and their gratuity. In 2019, through a contract by the county government, and at the end of that contract, there was supposed to be gratuity that was supposed to be paid. These nurses were confirmed, and the gratuity is still yet to be paid. The second thing we are talking about is a remittance of third-party deduction for the nurses. We wonder where this money go to, because in the pay slips they are deducted, but wherever they are supposed to be remitted, they are not there. Something like the loans that our members have with the banks, the insurance policies that our members have, the SACCOs that our members are in, these things are being deducted, the monies are being deducted from the salary, and yet they are not remitted to wherever they are supposed to be remitted to. There is this point we talk about resignation. This means the nurse went back to school, was released by the county government. There was bonding that was done by the nurses, but now resignating and giving them the correct designation and the correct job group, that is where the county draws the line. So we are asking our members to come up together. Let us be united, solidarity for all of us, and we are going to achieve what we are calling for.
Because we've been having several engagements with the employer, but they've not, they really don't want to do what we've been requesting them to do. There have been nurses who've not been promoted for over 10 years. Some nurses are even retiring on the same job group, not benefiting from what they are supposed to be benefiting from. So we are requesting the employer to promote all nurses who are due. They know the numbers of the nurses who are due because we've been engaging them of the same and telling them the number of nurses to be promoted. So we are demanding that all the nurses who are due for promotion to be promoted with immediate effect.